shaft, which the whole thing comes with these two gears. So PTO
Sean is the man of the day.
secondary gear here. So
Wow.
rest on the shaft. Everything else slides off. So everything's available digitally. As far as
This is also tricky parts there. Right?
Yeah.
You know? Because
the exact same NTM footprint was exactly the same. The only thing that's changed is the same. So it has it anywhere with
Wow.
no pressure.
Yeah, this was going better until I realized I was getting videotaped. I see. He puts the.
This is the next.
Or does that one not have one? It doesn't have one.
Oh.
Because this is the secondary drive. I just did it with Ray and it like went no problem. And he was like, "You're an asshole." I'll bring over you. It might go better. Because what I did, like Ray was having some difficulty, and I think he just didn't have this ring up high enough so that they would go further into the groove.
I was struggling with one, and it was because the spring wasn't kind of all the way in.
Yeah.
And the Pathfinder is still in the search on this one. They haven't.
Sean gonna give viral on social media now.
And you'll see, I think it's like the third
You
line.
recording? Yeah.